Mind your P's and Q's. That's the English expression I've got for you. My name is Amit Dubey, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to help you communicate effectively. I want to help you be more confident, and I want to help you develop your personality. In short, I want you to be amazing. Alright, stay with me here. I'm going to tell you the meaning of the English phrase, which is mind your P's and Q's, and how to use it. Alright, now the phrase mind your P's and Q's basically means that you should speak politely, be mannerly or be well mannered, and behave properly. अगर आप किसी पार्टी में जा रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को लेकर, तो आप उन्हें ज़रूर कहेंगे कि प्लीज़ अच्छे से बिहेव करना, सबसे सही से बात करना, बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती मत करना और उत्पात मत मचाना. In short, you will tell your kids, listen, mind your P's and your Q's when we go to the party. अच्छे से behave करना, बहुत मस्ती मत करना. ठीक है बच्चों? And your kids will say yes. हालांकि वो आपकी सुनेंगे नहीं, but they'll say yes. So I hope you learned this expression. To learn more, follow us on social media, subscribe, and do a course from us if you haven't enrolled. Why haven't you? We want to help you be better, and we can only do that once you join our courses. My name is Amit Dubey. I'll see you in the courses. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.